In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the heater control switch on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located behind the dash panel. Let's get started. Make sure your steering wheel is tilted all the way down. We're going to turn our gear shift all the way to the floor. Grab the top of the panel and pull out. In this back right here, we're going to pull down on the panel. We have two connectors on the back of this, one for our cargo lamp and the other for our headlights. So go in the back, push down on this tab right here, remove the connector. We're going to remove the connector for the headlights. I'm going to push on the tab. Pull the connector out. Then we can remove our trim piece. Using a flat blade screwdriver through these tabs right here, we're going to push on the tab that's behind there and pull out, and do the same thing on the other side. Looks like both of our tabs are broken. And pull this heater unit forward. You can see all of our tabs are broken on the top. And I believe they're all broken on the bottom as well. We're going to pull our switch out, remove the connector, remove the heater control switch, install the new switch, make sure the connector clips into place, get it installed into place. Install the board back into place. There's a locator tab on either side. Once you have them lined up, it'll click into place. Grab your dash piece. We're going to install our connectors onto the back. One for the cargo lamp. Install the connector for the headlight switch. On top right here, you're going to want to push this down and inside of the dash. Push the dash piece in, clicking it into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.